Hi kids, now you are going to learn about urbanization. Urbanization refers to the process in which there is an increase in the proportion of population living in towns and cities. What were the causes of urbanization? Already we had seen about the migration, isn't it? In that one we studied about the pull factors. What are the factors? It is pulling the people to move towards to the town, isn't it? That only we are going to see what are the causes of urbanization. Urbanization is driven by three factors: natural population growth, rural to urban migration, and the reclassification of rural areas into urban areas. That means the rural areas they are changing into urban areas. Present day urbanization includes changes in demographic, land cover, economic process, and also the characteristics of geographical area. In 2007, the global urban population exceeded the global rural population. First, we will check origin and growth of world urbanization. How the world urbanization it had been started and also how it grown there. Okay, Asian period. The urban centers started developing during the prehistoric period onwards. During this period, primitive man started domestication of plants as well as animals. It was the period of development of permanent settlements too. The river valley regions of the Egypt, Greece and India gave rise to agrarian communities which eventually formed the urban communities as well as the urban centers. Actually, the excess production of food grains was the major reason for the urbanization. Why, if we are having the major production of anything, what we will do? We will sell that one in the market. So, for that purpose, to create the market purpose, they changed the area into urban. Ur and Babylon in Mesopotamia, Thebes and Alexandria in Egypt, Athens in Greece, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in India are the some examples. In Asian period, the increase in the number and size of urban centers occurred during two great colonizing periods of the Greeks and Romans. Beginning of the 7th century itself, many cities were found near the Aegean Sea. During the Greek colonizing period, the expansion of trade promoted the growth of towns as well as the cities. Medieval period. It refers to the period after the 11th century. The European countries increased their overseas trade, which played an important role in the revival of European towns and as well as cities after a period of low development. At the end of the 19th century, Paris, London, Geneva, Milan, and Venice were the important cities found in Europe. Modern period. This period it starts from 17th century. It marks the third phase of development in urbanization. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century accelerated the growth of towns as well as the cities. The Europeans with urban civilization gave birth to a large number of new towns in North America as well as the South Union. South Union means Russia. Okay. The modern means of transport and communication, the development of new trade routes during 19th century had strengthened the trade centers and also the urban areas. The latest development in urbanization was noticed in the continent of Africa. Before 1930, Africa had towns only on its coast, but now it has 50 towns with a population exceeding 10 lakh. Major cities in Africa are Cairo, Nairobi, Mombasa, Douala, Abidjan, Accra, Addis. So many things are there. Okay. Next, we will move on to the consequence of urbanization. Housing and slum. There is a lack of space for housing and a marked reduction in the quality of housing in the urban areas due to increase in population. This problem may increase in the years to come. Rapid rate of urbanization results in the development of the slums. Overcrowding. Overcrowding leads to unhealthy environment in the urban areas It also the cause of many diseases and riots too. Water supply, drainage and sanitation. Most probably no city has round the clock water supply in the world. Drainage situation is equally bad. The removal of garbage is a Himalayan task for urban local bodies. Transportation and traffic. Lack of planned and adequate arrangements for traffic and transport is another problem in urban centers. The increasing number of two-wheelers and cars mark the traffic problem worse. They cause air pollution too. Pollution. Towns and cities are the major pollutants of environment. Cities discharge their entire sewage and industrial effluents untreated into the nearby rivers. Industries in and around the urban centers pollute the atmosphere with smoke and toxic gases, which are very harmful for human beings as well as other living creatures too. It will increase the global warming alone. Thank you, kids.